Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to enable depth effect on iOS 16. Well, depth usually be enabled by default on your lock screen. In most cases, you might need to enable it manually when using the certain wallpapers. Let's ensure the depth effect is enabled on your lock screen of your current wallpaper. If it is disabled, then it could be the reason why depth effect was not working for you on your device. I'll explain the step-by-step process. Please keep watch on this video. For the first step is unlock your device and tap and hold the lock screen to enter the customization mode. Now tap customize at the bottom. After that, tap the three dot menu icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap and select depth effect if it is not already enabled. You will now have enabled depth effect of your lock screen wallpaper. If the depth effect option is grayed out of you, then you are likely using an unsupported image, an image that does not have a clear subject or have positioned your wallpaper incorrectly. Use the subsequent sessions to help you to fix the same on your device. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this one is helpful. It's really helpful. Please subscribe my channel.